Hey you, it's Jess here and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going through my January kit lineup and everything is, there's one new kit but everything else is, oh no, two new kits but everything else is old. I just don't have any other winter art in. I did draw one called Snowbound but I won't have it until the end of January, so it won't be in my January lineup, but I will be able to show you my New Year's Eve, so December 30th through the 5th of Jan. I am using my resolutions art from Scribble Prints Co. This is the purple version, and I just have some extras as well as all of the doodles. I really love the purple and black version, although I love both. But yeah, this is what I will be using. I'm going to use it in my new planner. I don't think I'm going to plan the last week in my old one. The page is kind of torn on the side, so if you saw my 2025 planner setup, I went through how I was going to try and avoid that this year in 2025. So yeah, hopefully, fingers crossed, I won't have a torn up page for 2025. But I will pair it with the Champagne Lights fireworks bundle from Scribble Prints Co as well. Super simple. The new version comes with hole reinforcers, so it's got everything needed. So that's going to be the first week in my new 2025 planner. Then in January 6th through the 12th, I am using Home for the Snow Day. This is new art this year. So pretty. I love it so much. I like the soft blues. I got all the usual things, doodles, and just some pretty snowy art. We don't have any snow in Finland right now. I think there's like ground snow up north, but it's not been snowing. It's like we've had no snow for Christmas, and here it's like, yeah, no snow at all. So maybe we'll have some in January. That would be nice, but not right now. I've just paired this with a bunch of my silver foil stuff. I have a bunch of old winter things I would like to get through. Sorry, the dishwasher is on, so I apologize. There's the snowflake hole reinforcers from Planet Choco, some old Sadie sticker stuff. I don't think she does foil like this anymore. We have the Snow Flurry date numbers, the Snowflake Cluster Deco, and we have some Scribble Prints Co. snow glitter overlays. We have some winter quote boxes from Planet Choco. I'll probably use Let It Snow. It'll be like my Please Snow. Then we have some Caress Press, just like twinkle overlay boxes. And then we have some square boxes from Scribble Prints Co. And then the Sadie stickers, bottom washi in the big snowflake. And then some bougie boxes from Caress Press that I had left over. So that will do everything I need for this spread. And that is January 6th through the 12th. Then January 13th through the 19th, I'm using Caress Press Frozen Lake, and this was from last year, I believe. It's very pretty. I loved the more green, teal, and peachy kind of colors. So I'm going to go completely different for the foil here than I would usually do in winter. Let me show off the kit. Very pretty. Love the frozen ice pattern. But I'm using rose gold from Scribble Prints Co. Just a confetti bundle. And I just thought, because we have a lot of this sort of rose gold pink throughout, that I think the rose gold works. Just something different to try out. So that is for that week of January. Then for January 20th to the 26th, I have this very old kit that I wanted to get used. This is Winter Mermaid, and this was an exclusive mystery that I did for Scribble Prints Co. a number of years now. And I wanted to finally use this reformat of it. It's not even a new format. It's very old, as you're about to see, but I wanted to use it up before I just couldn't use this kind of set anymore. So just the full boxes. We have this little freebie with the doodles, the separate bottom washi. When the fashion people came like this box. So it's going to be difficult to pull this together, but it should be okay. I think we've only got like 2 chubby little things, which is kind of sad. But I'll probably use some of these washi strips. So you can see here, and I'll have to cut up the bottom washi. But I do love this art, and it's so pretty. So I'm going to pair this with the mixed metal shimmer bundle in hollow and sparkly hollow. You can't really tell in this lighting, but there we go. If you can see some of it, it's hard to see like one's sparkly, one's just normal hollow, but I thought that would be really pretty on this, like still super icy, but you have like the texture differences. You can see it more, the texture difference in the bottom washi between the sparkly hollow and the hollow. So I thought that would be pretty and icy. And then for the last week of January, we have 27th to the 2nd of February. And we're going to be leading into Valentine's and stuff. So I thought I'd put this more pink one. This is the November mystery from Caress Press, Let It Snow. And there's a bunch of pink in here, and purple. So I thought that'd be great for leading into Valentine's Day. This one is way more bright and in your face, but super fun. And I am just pairing this up simply again with some silver, and I'm using this snow foil bundle from SPC. This is a slightly older version, but I did get this free from $150 freebie in one of my orders. So I thought I'd just use up like a full snowy one later rather than in the beginning, because I have plenty of these snow bundles, so I should use them up too. So that's what I will use with this, just something simple, silver and snow. And that is everything that I will be using in January. I think it'll be really pretty. Hopefully we'll get some snow by the time this rolls around, but I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you're using for January. Are we twinning at all? There's a couple of new things in here, so you might be using those too this winter. But otherwise, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment down below a little snowflake if you've watched this like 8-minute video. But otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful day. And I will see you next time. I don't know if it's going to be the new year or not. Is this my last video? I don't think it's my last video for the year, so I will see you very soon. Bye-bye. I love you. Bye-bye.